Hey guys, welcome back to Investbook channel again. I hope everyone is doing great and thank you for showing the great support that we received on our first video. So without wasting much time, let's get back to today's topic. Okay guys, before jumping into our actual topic for the day, I want to clear a few things because few people messaged me to create a videos on how to create a demat account first, and they are unable to catch the terminologies, what is resistance, what is support, and what is breakout. So I thought I'll skip those videos, but people are eager to know those things also. We are really happy that people are starting their stock market journey with us. So welcome on board. I thought I'll make a videos on technical analysis only, because what is technical analysis? The stock move up and down, up and down, and in that process it forms a different patterns. Like you need to catch those patterns and trade on. So those patterns are like tweezer top, tweezer bottom, hammer candle, inverted hammer candle, and dozy, dragonfly dozy, bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, inverse head and shoulder, and different types of breakouts. So I thought I'll cover these all, it goes around 20 plus videos regarding this technical analysis only. But if you want me to cover those basic videos also, just comment down below. I'll be more than happy to make those videos also. So if you want to open your demat account, just I recommended two brokers which I am personally using. You can check those links in the description. Just start creating your demat account, just following the online on-screen instructions. It's very easy. Then just follow up my videos. I'll tell you the A to Z technical analysis things. So let's get back to the actual topic of the day. Okay guys, in a trading setup, everyone has their own favorite setups. Few people trade based on moving averages, few people trade on RSI, few people trade on different types of breakout, few people trade on inside candle. So among all these different types of setups, inside candle setup is my favorite one, that I got more success, so more accuracy rate compared to other setups. So today topic is all about the inside candle. So let's discuss about the inside candle setup and how it will form in a trade. So this inside candle concept is very simple. There is nothing complex in here. I'll explain it a very simpler way. Just pay attention. So basically this inside candle concept I personally applies in a 15 minutes time frame in an intraday. Few people apply in a 30 minutes time frame, 1 hour time frame, 2 hours time frame. So you need to backtest yourself which setup is working for you. So I personally take a 15 minutes time frame, and that's absolutely working for me. You need to backtest yourself. This is let me explain in a pictorial way first, and then I'll show it in a live charts. So this is a normal any stock like HDFC Bank or ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, or TCS, Infosys, anything. Take any stock. So guys, this is the usual stocks moves in a 15 minutes time frame. Usually the stock moves like this. This is a 15 minutes candle, this is another 15 minute candles. It usually don't move, it won't give a huge movements. So these are all the 15 minutes. Let's suppose these are all 15 minutes candle, and if you observe closely, a sudden movement will happen, like either side. If it go, maybe it come downside, or it maybe go upside. So that sudden movement wali candle, it usually a bigger than these normal candles. This candle, let's suppose take this candle as a parent candle, and the next immediate candle as a child candle. So this parent candle will be a huge one, and this child candle will be with a small body. So if this child candle low should not break the parent candle low, then that is called a inside candle. You will make the money on both the sides. If you are on a short side, you will make the money. If you are on a long side, you will make the money. So this is the inside candle. So where exactly our trade will begin? That's our actual question now. So after forming an inside candle, I personally observe the next three candles. If any of those three candles breaks this parent candle low, then that's our entry. I'll short the stock here. I'll long the stock here. So here 1 2 3 third candle, I'll take the trade here. Usually people क्या करते हैं ना, ये child candle वाला high को stop loss रखता है, but you need to be ready to take the re-entry if this stop loss hits. So that's why I take more risk. I'll take the SL as a parent, this bada candle ka top. So these two structures are two different scenarios in a trade. This is a shorter side, this is a longer side. This is a bull side and this is a bear side. You know that the stock will come down suddenly here, and the stock will go up suddenly in this structure. This is a long side, this is a short side. So after forming an inside candle, any of these three candles breaks this low on shorter side, our trade will begin. Exactly opposite, exactly the same way, any of the next three candles breaks the top of the parent candle, our trade will begin. So if you are this complete stop loss is completely depend on you. If you are ready to take the re-entry, if the stop loss hits, if you are ready to take the re-entry, you are ready, you are good to go. Take as a child this inside candle top as a SL here, and inside candle low as a SL. But I personally take the parent candle top as a stop loss for shorter side, and parent candle low as a stop loss on a longer side. So that's the overall trade idea, basic idea. So what is the target now? You'll make the money on both the sides. If you are on a, when the stock moves downside, if you are on a short side, you'll make the profit. When the stock moves upside and you are on a long side, you'll make the profit. So intraday you need to be very quick enough to book the profit within within maximum 30 minutes to 1 hour. The whole setup will complete 30 minutes to 1 hour. So you need to be very quick enough, and you need to know the what is the target, when to exit. So my personal target is 1:1. So the target is 1:1, that's fixed. So after forming an inside candle, let's suppose on a longer side, after forming an inside candle, immediately after next three candles, if any of the candles breaks the top of this parent candle, our trade will begin. Suppose our entry is at 10 rupees, any random stock, the stop loss is at 5 rupees, and the target will be at 15 rupees. So if you are ready to take the loss of 5 rupees, the obviously 1:1 means you are ready to take the profit at 15, another 5 rupees. So that's 1:1, because this is an intraday. You need to be very quick enough to book the trade in a profit, because otherwise the trade again, the stock will move up and down, up and down, up and down. So that's the my personal target. 1:1 working absolutely fine for me. So I'll recommend you to use the same, or in your back test, if you are okay with some other target, some other SLs, that you need to be practice for yourself. So that's done, inside candle setup and strategy. So now let's check if this inside candle really forming in a live market. If are we really able to find the inside candle in charts. So that's our main topic. After finding the inside candle, we'll take the trade and we'll take the SL, we'll take the profit. So are we really able to find the inside candle in charts? Let's check. Okay guys, let's see if that inside candle strategy really working in live charts. So let's see this Tech Mahindra chart. It's moving normally, normal movements, up and down, up and down. Here it gives a sudden movement, but it gives a chance of forming an inside candle. So let's go ahead and see. This is a big green candle. That's a sudden movement. So observe the next candle. It didn't break the top of this parent candle. So that it formed an inside candle. And I personally observe the next four candles, 1 2 3 4. After forming an inside candle, I observe next four candles. If any of these four candles breaks this top of this parent candle, that's where my trade begins. So this is the where my trade will begin. So I'll take the entry here. Obviously the stock will come down a little. There's no need to worry until it breaks, until it hits your stop loss. So I'm ready to take the, few people take the stop loss of low of inside candle, but I personally take the low of this parent candle. So I'm ready to take the loss at 2.41 till 2.41%. And am I getting the exact 2.41% profit before hitting the stop loss? Yes. See, the stock will not move immediately. The next candle will go like that. It slowly moves, but in a couple of candles, in a few candles, your target will be achieved. See, check. Before stock didn't come to stop loss, it started moving up, and slowly you got the target 2.41. And the next one, check it here. The stock is moving nicely up, and it gave a huge green candle, but it didn't form an inside candle. And here check it, another inside candle. Here third candle itself started breaking the top of this parent candle. So I took the trade here, and I'm ready to take the loss till this period, that's parent candle low. And am I getting the target? Yes, exactly 1.03% I'm getting the profit. So the inside candle is absolutely working. This is a Tech Mahindra chart. Let's suppose check in HDFC. So the stock started moving downside a little slow with tiny candles, and suddenly this give me a big huge green candle. Check the next candle, it's an inside candle. It didn't break the top of this parent candle. And this time the second candle, after immediate forming an inside candle, the second candle itself started breaking the top of this parent candle, and then my trade begins here. As usual, my stop loss is 1%. I'll take the loss till 1%. I'm taking the 1% risk. So am I getting the target 1%? Obviously within 30 minutes I got the target, and I closed the trade. After, in this Tech Mahindra also, after getting the target, it doesn't matter to you if it is going up or if it's going down. You got the 1:1 percentage profit, book it and close the trade. That's it. So HDFC Bank, see. Okay guys, let's check the Infosys again. So Infosys was moving nicely, like slowly, and then suddenly it gave a huge green candle, and then it formed an inside candle, and immediate next candle started breaking the parent candle, and this is the where my trade begins. See, I'm ready to take the 2.5% as a loss. After taking the trade, it gave me 2.5% profit without coming down. So that's working. So this is a longer side. Let's take the shorter side. And the Infosys is moving nicely up, and then suddenly it give a huge fall, and then see, after forming two huge red candles, it give a inside candle, and then our trade, and then immediate next candle started breaking the low. We take the trade here. Before going to SL, that trade already gave me a profit. It gave me it. I was ready to take the 0.74 loss. 1:1, as per 1:1, I'll book the profit here. So that's Infosys. Let's take another one, Axis Bank. See, the Axis Bank gave me a sudden movements, and it formed an inside candle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sometimes you need to be very careful. Within 4 candles, it will break the top. So I'll take the I'll take the trade here. See, my stop loss is huge here, 1.7. Obviously I got the profit, I got the target also, 1:1. So let's suppose take this one also. This is Axis Bank only again. This is a huge green candle, inside candle. Next started breaking the high, and I took the trade here. I was ready to take the profit, loss of 1.24. Before coming down, it gave me a profit of 1.24. I will book the profit here already. After that, the stock fell down continuously. It doesn't matter, we already booked the profit at top. So 1:1 is absolutely working. So I'll highly recommend you to use the 1:1 only, and shorter side or longer side doesn't matter. Let's suppose take the ICICI Bank. See, the stock moving very nicely, and suddenly it gave me a huge green candle, and it formed an inside candle, and it started breaking out. So I took the trade here, and my stop loss obviously at 1.38. Did I get 1.38? Obviously it went above the 1.38%, but doesn't matter, we'll book the profit at 1:1 only. So that's ICICI Bank. Do we have any more charts? Yes, HDFC Bank. Yes, HDFC. HDFC, we already covered this one. So will it work 100%? Sometimes accuracy rate is around 80% is working for me. See, look at this one. Huge red candle formed an inside candle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth candle started breaking the low. Our trade will begin here, but check our stop loss is here. We're ready to take the stop loss at 2.8%. So we need to get the target downside 2.8%. But did we really get the target? No, the stock moved upside. So this is our stop loss. So the stock went up and hit our stop loss. This is where our target, where our loss will be booked here. So if you take 10 trades based on this inside candle, you will get 8 times the profit, at least 7 times, and remaining 3 trades will go in losses, but doesn't matter, no, we'll book in 8 times in profit, 2 times loss. It works, it always risk and reward. Okay guys, that's my secret strategy that I am applying to my, that I am personally applying on my trades. Hope you guys like this strategy. Hope it helps you all in your trading career. So, and I want to highlight few things, that always keep the 1:1 target. And other thing is, you backtest yourself if 15 minutes time frame working for you, or 30 minutes time frame working for you, or 1 hour time frame working for you. 15 minutes is working for me, it doesn't mean that it will also work for you. So backtest yourself and prepare a trading setup, because, and highly recommend you to work on a particular setup. Don't work on breakout, multiple setups at a times. Work on inside candle only, you'll be in a profitable. Or if you work on a breakout only, you'll be in profitable, but don't mix up all at a time, especially in intraday. So this inside candle surely helps you all. So, and one more thing, 1:1 target, that's already I told you. Prepare a list of 20 to 25 high liquidity stocks, like HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, Wipro, TCS, Infosys. So this kind of high liquidity stocks where people usually trade in huge volumes daily. In these stocks, these inside candles forms daily, very frequently. Because if you need to be very careful, and you need to observe your list, and put all the trades, all the stocks in a list, and observe. Whenever you get the inside candle, take a trade. You'll be in a profitable. So that's all about this video. Hope this helps you a lot. And if you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. And we'll come up with the more knowledge in next videos. Bye bye.